Hey you, it's Abby. I thought this would be kind of a fun video, something a little different. We spend a lot of time talking about vitamins and all these different things that we take to treat the pain or all these symptoms that go along with fibro, right? Well, I have a fun little experiment to show you if you can tell if your vitamin's helping at all. You always get the cheaper stuff. Just because you pay an arm and a leg for a vitamin, it doesn't mean it's gonna do you any good. I think this is kind of a nice way to find out if yours are any good, if it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. All my vitamins I have are on the cheaper side, okay? Oh, before I show you guys, really quick, I wanted to show you, for my spoonies that know the whole situation with my mom and everything, and you know, one of the things she had asked me to do before she passed away was to go through her closet. She really had her mindset to get her clothes. Mom didn't own a lot of stuff. Like anything that she had, she always gave away. It wasn't to her kids, it was to somebody else. It was just how Mom was. And for some reason she would buy some really cute stuff and just never wear it. But I wanted to tell you guys, I finally grew big enough balls to go through there a little bit, and found this. I don't think you can tell. It's sparkly a little bit. What got me to do it is because I know that Gracie would love one of Mom's shirts to sleep with, you know, to wear. I don't know if you find that weird, but sometimes the kids like to wear Mom or Dad's shirt to go to bed, use it as a PJ dress. I found one that she'd like for of her Grammys, so it still smells a little bit like Grammy. So she was very happy with that. I just wanted to tell you, for those wondering, it's really hard for me to go over there, and I want to visit my stepdad and say hi and stuff, you know, but it's really hard to go over there. Okay, well, enough of that, and I will go show you guys what you can do to see if your vitamins are any good. 8 spoonies. I have generic ibuprofen. I have a prescription. I haven't taken this for a while. I think it's meclizine, I think is how you pronounce it. Super strength probiotic. You can just get like at Walmart. Now I have my warm water here. It's supposed to be about body average temperature. And the vinegar. Pour some in there. Okay, now I gotta set these in there. And now they say vinegar because the acid acts a lot like it does with our stomach acid. So I'll put the ibuprofen in there. Prescription in here. They claim that prescription's the best. I don't know if that's always true. And then I will put there in the water. And I am supposed to give it about 30 minutes. Because that's how long it's supposed to take for it to disintegrate in our stomach. 1:34. See you back in a minute. I had totally forgotten what time I had ended it. I thought I was running late. But here I'm a little early. Now look, if you remember these two on the left here, these are vinegar and this one's warm water. So here's the ibuprofen. See, now that's what it looks like in your tummy. I think that one did pretty good. Now this is the prescription. They claim that's always best, but this one seemed to do pretty good. A little more chunkier. Now this one was the warm water, and extra strength, they said, extra strength probiotic. Now it's been over time, and now look, not all of it completely dissolved. Now keep in mind, expiration date and that kind of thing also plays a role too. And this isn't no lab, so I'm sure there's better equipment out there. But I found it really interesting, so I thought I'd share with you guys a good way to find out if your cheap vitamins, your expensive vitamins are worth it. So if you guys want to see me do a video doing a bunch of different kinds, just let me know your own. And if you ever tried it before, let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, and if you guys ever want to do a little more talk about vitamins, like a specific kind you want for your hair or your skin, whatever it may be, let me know, okay? Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you next video. Love yous. Bye-bye.